Hey, what's up everyone? It's Cassie from Jeep Gear and Gadgets, and today I'm going to be installing the Factor 55 UltraHook. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know I installed a rope guard for an UltraHook for a neighbor that lives right down the road, and just seeing the UltraHook in person, I appreciate it a lot more. It's a lot beefier, and I really think it makes the front end look a little better. So I went ahead and splurged, and I got one for the LJ and got one for the JK. And they only sell them, I think, in gray and red, but they chose red. That's the best color. I mean, we have 3 red Jeeps. They didn't go wrong there.
X-Day doesn't count.
So the UltraHook is definitely going to be a little bit of an overkill, I think, on the LJ, but we haven't even taken it off-roading yet. And now that I think about it, I don't even know if the winch works. But we're going to install it anyway. So to install the UltraHook, all you're going to need is something to cut off your old hook with and some snap ring pliers. And we have both of those. I'm not going to get into the details of why the UltraHook is a better option than the one we have on here now, but I will say it's a lot stronger, it's safer, and you can still use the closed system winch as well. And if you want to know anything else, go to one of the Boring Guy channels and they'll talk about it for about 20 minutes. So let's get started. All right, so the first step is going to be removing the current hook. Ours is on here in one piece, so we're going to have to either use a grinder or a plasma cutter, and we're definitely going to use the plasma cutter, way cooler. So I'm going to go ahead and get to taking the hook off. And this is why traditional hooks suck. They get all bent. And I can't even get it off. Can you get it, please?
Can you get it off? Yeah, that sucks.
Like I said, we haven't even used this winch before, and it doesn't want to freeze spool out, so maybe we can test it out now.
All that time at the gym, and you can't even pull a winch?
I just had pizza, I'm way down.
You only have like 20 more feet to go until you can bring it in the garage.
I'm just gonna move it.
You're gonna move the Jeep?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Time for a man. Oh.
I'll do it. Will you speed this part through though?
Nope.
Really? You're the worst. Here we go. Well, they had it all wrapped up funny. Now that it's like smoother. All right, let's cut this hook off.
Ah, you're on fire!
Did you get the miss?
Yeah.
Man, I jacked that up. All right, so now we've got our old hook off. You take your old hook, throw it away. So then you're gonna take the snap ring out, your pin, then you're gonna take your winch line and just put it on. Yep, my bad. Then you're gonna take your snap ring pliers and put your snap ring in, which I need mine. Where'd they go?
I don't know.
Oh, and I dropped the snap ring. I'm serious, I don't have my glasses on. There it is, I got it. Where are the pliers?
I don't know. Somewhere in the garage, probably. We had them out here.
Alright, so I guess this is a cop-out, but I really can't find them, so we're going to just put it on. And then once you get your snap ring in, you pull your winch line in. So this will be the test to see if our winch actually works. Alright, so we found them. They were sitting on the JK tire, so I'm going to put the snap ring in, push it down a little bit. Okay. Let's see if this winch works. Alright, so we're about to see if this winch works. You want to make a bet, Ben?
Yeah, what's up?
If it works, you have to reel it in.
Deal. I don't think this is going to work.
It's gonna work. Let's see.
It's a Smitty built, so there's no telling. Oh!
And it works!
That's a good thing,
He can
though.
do all my dirty work for me.
Alright. You have to hold that, though.
Alright, so you're gonna pull it in nice and tight and flat. Make sure you don't pinch your fingers. Dang, this looks really good, if I do say so myself. Alright, so that's it. The UltraHook is installed. It didn't take us long. It took maybe 30 minutes to do. quick and easy project for a Sunday. I like how it looks on the front end. It makes it look a lot beefier. It is a little pricier, $250, but it's definitely worth it. It's a quality product. Now for our next video, we're going to be installing rock lights. Keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions or comments, please do so below on this video. And as always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm Cassie. Keep cheap and classy.